Hi, my name is Aditya and I am going to replace the wiper blades of a 20-year-old Honda City right now. And the reason that I'm changing these wiper blades is because one of the blade is completely torn. There is no washing capacity left to the wiper blade. So I think it is better to replace and rather to risk my own life. So the wiper blade on the right side, the driver side, does clean well and does its job. But the left one, it doesn't really wash away the water. So that is a very big risk in my books because you need that reaction time when you're driving. And if you get blinded, you're blinded. Now because this is a 20-year-old car, the bigger problem was determining the size because nobody knows what size this is. I got this car second hand, so it already had a different set of wipers. So both of the wiper length was equal. The driver side usually is the bigger wiper and the passenger side is the smaller wiper blade. So that is usually the thumb rule that one should follow, but this car had the similar sized wiper blades. So now that I did not know the correct size of the wiper blades, I just ordered a Bosch set which has a 20-inch wiper blade for the driver and an 18-inch wiper blade for the passenger side, and that costed me around 375 rupees online. Now you have the pretext of why I'm changing the wiper blades. Let's get going and get to work, okay? Okay, so this is how it does its job. There are stains over here and it doesn't really wash away or push away the water thoroughly. So that's one big problem. Other than that, that wiper blade seems okay, but need to replace this one because this is completely gone. Thanks to this, I noticed that my wiper arm is very much rusted. Well, of course I knew it, but I was not aware that this is in such a bad state. I might need them sometime in the future, even this as well. Or I might just scrub off the rust and paint them black. You never know. If that's the cheaper way, I think I'll do that one. So now you can clearly see both the wiper blades have the same length. Both of them are 19.5 inches. And that is not how it should be. The driver blade should always be the larger one and the passenger blade should always be the smaller one. So it cleans more surface area as it wipes up and down. And if you want to know how to unmount the wiper blade from the wiper arm, there is another video that I've done on my Volkswagen Vento. There is a thorough explanation on how do you do this thing. So you might have to look for that. Right now I'm not going into that because this is just a U-bend or a U-clip as we know it. Turn the wiper around, pull it down, it comes out. So it is that easy. Okay, so I think I'll unbox this and take a thorough look again at this box. 20-inch, 18-inch Bosch, and it says that it has graphite somewhere on the blades, but okay, let's see how it shines. So here is the new set of wiper. This is Bosch, obviously. This is Bosch as well. So now you see the difference. Let me show you the difference in the right manner. Hold on a second. So this was the wiper blade of the older set and this is the newer one. So the difference in length, I hope it is visible to naked eye. And this is the older one. The newer one with the older one. So it's substantially small. This is substantially large. Well, I'm actually glad that the passenger wiper blade is really small because my concern was this gap. If you can see it clearly, this is where the driver side wiper blade ends and this is where the passenger side starts. So if this increases, if you can observe clearly, if this increases, it might rub into the path of this wiper. I hope this is a very clear explanation. So if the length of this wiper arm increases or the wiper blade, it will eat into the path of this wiper blade as well. So that was my concern. I hope it doesn't happen here. So the wiper blade change is quite successful. You see it is working. It is not hitting each other, coming in its path anywhere. If you observe that closely, It is doing its job thoroughly. So I have changed the size. I have gone for a larger wiper and it is doing its job perfectly fine. I hope this video was quite informative, and if you have any doubts or any queries about this, please let me know. I will be more than happy to help you in the comments below. And do like this video if you like this work.